How to get free guided walking tours in Europe and other countries around the world. This concept has been quite popular among solo backpackers for a very long time now. But I have come to see many families and couples taking up the tours nowadays, and why not? Hi guys, I'm Malvika and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I registered for free guided tours during my 17-day travel across Europe in 2017 and all other subsequent trips that followed. Today, the free tour concept is widely practiced and therefore you can find one in most of the cities or countries you plan to visit. Due to the many number of companies today, I cannot list out all of them, but I will talk about my favorite one in the video. This is a Europe-based company which provides free tours in about 20 plus European cities and a few in Middle East and USA. For other destinations, I would suggest you to make a quick, simple search on Google using the keywords free tours Istanbul or free walking tours Athens, etc. You will find many operators offering various kinds of free tours. Make sure you check the website and the reviews, then choose the tour you want and register. Coming to my favorite tour company, it's called Sandeman's New Europe, popularly known as Sandemans. They were one of the pioneers in offering such tours. They started in Berlin and within a small amount of time spread all across Europe. I remember taking Sandeman's free tours in 4 cities in Europe, Brussels, Amsterdam, Prague, and yes, Barcelona, though I ended up missing the Barcelona tour, a story for another time. So how does this really work? It's quite simple. You go to their website, register for any of the free tours you'd like to go on, and you receive an email confirmation. You just have to show up on the specified day and time at the pickup point. When you register, you will see a detailed itinerary of the route your guide would take, which gives you a fair idea of attractions you will cover on the tour. Mind you, these are free guided walking tours, which means you will mostly walk around the town, covering places of interest close to each other. Some tours require you to take the public transport, like we took the tram in Prague. The guide is with you, so the only thing you need to worry about is paying for the tram ticket. That is not free. Also, you do not end up going inside tourist places like museums or palaces or churches, etc. This is more of an orientation tour. So you can pick and choose where you'd like to spend more time for the rest of your day, and you can always come back. These walking tours last anywhere between an hour and a half to 3 hours. All tours are different in the sense that every guide has a different style and way of sharing things about their culture. It's beautiful to know the secrets, myths, facts, culturally specific things that people of that country do, and therefore it provides you with an immersive experience. Lastly, though it is a free walking tour, you are taking up time and energy of another person who is providing value to you in some form. So the least that is expected of you is a tip for the guide. This is a completely tip-based model in which there is no certain amount stated that you need to reward the guides with. It is totally up to you to measure the value you have received and accordingly pay as a sign of gratitude. It could be 20 euros, could be 50 even, could be 5. I know that all the tours I had with them exceeded my expectations and I will forever be grateful to all my guides. Not a sponsored post again, but I'm coming back for you, Sandemans. For those who want to experience this on your next trip, what I have done is put a link in the description which takes you to their website. Apart from free tours, they of course have amazing paid tours as well. To overcome the financial challenges during the COVID season, they have amazing offers that are valid until December 2021. I bought my Superfan Pass already and it is lying in my mailbox. You can check it out too. Hope you had fun watching this video and learnt about a new concept. To know more about how I design my travels, do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon too, so you will get a notification when I put my next video. Ciao for now and see you soon. Thank you.